Do you love stand-up cards? Well, guess what? We're releasing a brand new one right now, so stay tuned. But first, I have 2 fold-its to share with you and some fun words, and then our new stand-up, which I know we all love the stand-ups. But first, I want to share with you a fun, by popular request, a mixer. Look at how cute this fun mixer is. Now, the best part about this, though, my friends, is I added extra layering dies to this one. So not only do you have the mixer and then the shadow, you have extra layering dies to make it even more exciting. And you know what? You're going to love my samples. Then, this one's really fun, and this one's perfect for our moms if we have a Mother's Day card coming up to make a perfume bottle. This is the old-fashioned perfume bottles. Remember where you could just spray them on you like that? I'm sure they still sell them. But look at how fun this is. And the extra little swirl on here just changes everything. And when you see my samples, you're really going to fall in love. Next, I have some die cut words, and I know they never look like anything when I show you this, so I'm going to show you this. It is keep calm and pray on, which is always a fun, remember those, keep calm and do this, or keep calm and do that. Well, here we have keep calm and pray on. You can also just say keep calm and pray. Love it. I love it. Love it. So lots of options. This one's using our Newport flower background die, which is so pretty. I love it. Now, last but not least, I did show you a little sneak peek of this, our diamond stand-up card base. Now, this one's really fun because it has lots of words in here. First, we have the smile that you do or do not have to use. It's up to you. The choice is yours. We also have the words in memory. So like if you want to send a sympathy card, or blessed, or be well. Lots of options on this one, especially like if you just want to send like a little sympathy type card. Be well is also really awesome. Smile, be well, Now, let's jump into our samples because there are so many samples. First, let's show you our keep calm and pray on. This is just using the and pray. Look at this one. These words literally can be a full front, right? Here we have keep calm and pray on the inside, right? Or you can do them on the outside. You can make it the whole part of the card. Add just a fun background die and boom, right? That's all you need. Here's a beautiful one on a bookmark. Keep calm and pray. Love it. Or, oh, look how sweet is this. Keep calm. Don't you just want to breathe in when you see that? Keep calm on an A1 card base. I love it. Now, let's move on to our perfume bottle. When you see these samples, you are just going to be in love. Psst. Look at that. Your kindness flutters in my heart. Isn't that beautiful? Look how pretty that is. Look at that stencil. I absolutely love that stencil. That's our lemon citrus stencils, which is so pretty. And alphabets for typewriter are the psst. Now, oh, look at this one. This is the Rose A2 background die set. So pretty. You are fabulous. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Wishing you the most beautiful day. Those word stamps are from the Posy to Stamps and the Solid for Posies. Just a heads up. Oh, look at this one. Glitter paper. Glitter, holographic, and foil papers are my faves. Let me just tell you. But look at this glitter paper. Oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? With just a flower on top, I love it. Ooh, or here's one, hello beautiful. I love that, isn't that beautiful? So fun. Does this stand? Yes, it does. I know that's gonna be your question. Here's a fun one, hello beautiful. You could do the fold at the top or on the side, the choice is yours. You could also put it on a card base. This is a 5x7 card base for my sweet mom. Isn't that beautiful? Forever in my heart. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. So this is using our doily heart fold it for the inside right here. The fox dies for the letters up here. The petal burst stencil for back here. The quirky alphabet, which is right here. And the scallop 5x7, which is here. Beautiful, huh? Now, oh, look at this one. Oh, Cheryl, look how pretty this is. She stamped that entire background. Isn't that beautiful with those little flowers? I love, is that, no, you know what? That might be pattern paper. I take that back. That's pattern paper. So go get your pattern papers out. Look how pretty that is. And she added a little to from tag. So cute. Happy birthday. Oh, I love that. Beautiful. Now, let's look at some mixers because you know what? I want to bake. Now, you have to know my Katie loves to bake, so she's already grabbed this one for her stash. But look at how cute these are. With love, Mom. Oh, how pretty. If your mom likes to bake or if you know someone that likes to bake, thank you for everything. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, I like this one. That's one of my favorite pattern papers. I love that one with the gray and the black and the white. Look how cute that is. Happy birthday to you. So fun. Ooh, I love this one. Let's eat cake. Yes, let's. You can never have too much cake. Celebrate. Calories do not count on your birthday. The calories do not count are the birthday strips to stamp. Birthday strips to stamp are right down there. Let's celebrate are the dies. Let's celebrate. Oh, I love that. Eat cake is also from the birthday strips to stamp. Here we go. Congratulations. Congratulations. That sentiment is from the 5x7 rounded gatefold. Ooh, that's a sneak peek. Yes, awesome. I love it. I love sneak peeks. They're so fun. Here we go. Mixer fold it. This is also using the 5-petal flower stencil and the more cookies to stamp. Look at that. Ooh, there's some yummies in there. Life is what you bake it. I love that. That's so awesome. Oh, look how pretty this one is. Here's another life is what you bake it. Look at that mixer. I love it. I love it. Happy birthday. Calories don't count on your birthday. Wish big. So fun. Oh, we have our stand-up samples. Dun, 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 dun. Here we have smile. Happy birthday. This is your time to shine. Like gold, sparkle like glitter. Oh, I love this. Look at that. And then it stands. Perfect. Gold glitter paper. Ooh, here's a fun one. You can do it totally different. So this is the stand-up. This is originally how I designed it. But there's lots more you can do with it. Here's one. Smile. Happy birthday. Blessed. Isn't that beautiful? You can open it this way. Lots of options on this one. So how fun is this? Or they could stand it up, or you could, or you could do the smile off to the side. Look at that, and open that up. Look at that. So fun. You don't have to use the smile though. Look, here's one that does not use the smile. This just says be well. Oh, smile is down at the bottom. And then it has the smile. But you don't have to use the smile. Be blessed. Ooh, here's life's a stitch. Keep calm and sew on. Look how cute that is, standing up. I love that. Here's a pretty one, smile. Open that up, be well. Here's another one, smile, be blessed. Isn't that beautiful? Now, club members, I know you know. I know I'm preaching to the choir here, but club members get a 15 to 20% discount off of our entire website every single day, every single order, every single item. No exclusions. Every single day, every single order, every single item. I've had people ask me, oh, well, I joined the club, so I get what, one order at 15% off? No. It's every time you order. Every time you order. Oh, well, does that include die cut machines? Yes, it does. Does that include secret weapons? Oh, yes, it does. Does that include cardstock? Yes. Stamps? Yes. Dies? Yes. Totally Tiffany organization buddy bags? Yes. My answer is yes to all of that. Yes to anything on my website. Anything. Online classes? Yes. I know. Because club members or subscribers, whatever you want to call them, you guys are our family. We give you the absolute best possible price ever because you're our family, right? We're a community. We get together on Facebook, on our official Facebook fan page, and we are a part of a community. So if you are not a club member, please go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club and watch the video. The hardest part's going to be deciding which club you are in, and some of you, let me just tell you, are in the Diamond Club, meaning they're in all of our clubs. They get 3 shipments of Happy Mail a month, and you know what? They don't get 15% discount on our website. They get 20. They get 20% discount off of every single order, every single item, every single day. Now, Stephanie, what if we're having a flash sale? Oh, yeah. Flash sale discount, club discount on top of that, so they're paying even less. Yes, we double discount those things, and on the bundles, we triple discount. We love to give you discounts, and it's just our way of saying thank you to our club members, aka family. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and check it out. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.